Lorry with a heartbeat. That's why I was standing just now on that rock over there. Should we do the tan dunes in a minute and walk up to the top of the cliff? We know Pat likes that bit. Hey Sue! Hey Sarah! How you doing? Should we go down so we get a bit closer so you can hear the waves better? Hold on. It's alright. It's not too far from here. Oh, did it? Bless. I'm not sure about that mobile home outside. I was going to get down there to out the wind, but it's still in the wind. Well, I'll be able to show you the tide difference up here easier actually. You know, I was saying about the dark sand, the dark strip of sand. The light sand here is the last tide we had in. The tide before that was the dark strip of sand there. So that's how much the tide's dropped in one tide. Thank you for the heartbeat. And then the white sand is where there's been no tide for about a week. But the tide's going to start getting bigger again now. Monday is the spring tide. Thank you for the heartbeat. Right, should we get down and walk along the beach? It's only windy up here. Once I get down it won't be too bad. It's just a bit of height. Right, this bit is for Patters, Abby, Sarah, everyone that likes heights. I'm going to disconnect my phone from the charger a sec, just so I don't get tied up. You okay there, Patters? Patters? Lisa with a heartbeat. Thank you for the heartbeat. Oh, there we go. Right, I'm plugging back in now because that's the steeper part. Past that already. Patters is, I think it's Patters as well, to be fair. Doesn't the pool look good today? So I've missed some of the comments here. What's Laurie done or Jamie done? Don't know, I missed it. Right, let's get down, walk along the beach, over to the rocks, over to my barbecue spot for the summer. Surge of water coming between the rocks. It is Paramporth Beach. It's only one Paramporth. How does the weather last? In the summer it can be. In Cornwall, 30 is about your limit, and you're lucky to get that. But up in the southeast, they get it hotter. I know a couple of years when we had to go in with that heat wave, they hit the 40s, I think. But another month, it should start warming up. Yeah, but it's, I don't know, you get like a humid heat